Hello guys, today I've got REDMI Buds 8 Lite and I'm going to show you how to add your buds, REDMI Buds 8 Lite, to the application Xiaomi Earbuds. So here we've got our application Xiaomi Earbuds, as I said, and to add our earphones we'll need to just tap this button, Add Earphones. Here we've got our earbuds, which are actually found by our application automatically. But how to make this all happen automatically? As you can see here in my phone settings, we can see that I am actually right now connected to my earbuds, but not connected to the application. So it's better to actually have them paired before. So open the application, grant every single permission, click plus, here REDMI Buds 8 Lite, and now you are done. Goodbye!